Pixel 9 phones, finally official. So hooray for that. 4 new phones, Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, and the 9 Pro Fold. But one thing we've been waiting on for the last year is finally here as well. It's the Zoom Enhance. So it's supposed to be rolling out for the Pixel 8 Pro starting yesterday, I guess. So there should be a new version of the camera update available, 6.95, I think, and it's under the tools section, if I remember correctly. But anyway, so it's supposed to be available now. If you don't have it yet, it seems to be some sort of a server-side thing from what I was reading on the internet. Some people seem to have it, some people don't seem to have it. But yeah, finally here. And of course, they didn't mention it during the keynote event, which I assumed that they wouldn't because you don't want to mention anything negative during your big positive event for all your new phones. But yes, it is available. It is rolling out. Unfortunately, it's only for the Pixel 8 Pro. So if you got a Pixel 8 or if you got a Pixel 8a or any phone earlier than that, then sadly it's not going to be available. And you may be wondering what Zoom Enhance is. So with the Zoom Enhance, it's an after you take a picture photo tool. So it's not something where when you're taking a photo, you can zoom in, it does special stuff. That's not it. This is a after the fact. It's in the tool section, and you can zoom in on your photo and you can get more clear detail. So yeah, there's that. Basically what it does is it uses AI to fill in the gaps. So a lot of times, let's say you take a photo, or let me see if I can find it. Stadium's here somewhere. Anyway, so yeah, the stadium's back there. The T-Mobile Stadium is where the Raiders play. Let's say you take a picture of that and you want to zoom in on something closer in and it looks all pixelated. With the Zoom Enhance, if you use that, then it should use AI to fill in the gaps, very much like it removes the gaps, right? So if you use Magic Eraser, it fills in the gaps to make the picture look more natural. Well, it kind of does the same thing with this, where it should fill in the gaps to make the picture look sharper and more clear. So there's that. So again, like I said, this Pixel 8 Pro only. This is going to be a 9 feature, 9 Pro. Well, I'm sorry. It will be available for them. It won't be available for earlier phones. So the Pixel 9 stuff wasn't a whole lot of camera stuff updated yesterday. It's the same cameras as we had last year, so no big surprise there. They have a new, I believe it's called Add Me feature, where if you are taking a picture, and it's actually very applicable. Like I'm in Vegas right now still, and it's very applicable. So like, let's say you're out in front of something, you want to get a picture with somebody, but you don't want to hand off your phone to someone else. You're worried about them running off with it or whatever, or just because for whatever situation you're in, you can't take a picture of you and whoever you want to take a picture with at the same time. You can take the picture and have whoever you're taking a picture of stand there, and then hand the phone off, and it keeps the camera interface locked in. It has like a little interface thing, and then you can go stand over there, and then you can take the picture, and then it merges both of you into the same image. So, I mean, that's kind of cool. And they have a Look at Me feature, which is available for the Pixel Fold, and that's something where if you got a picture, you're trying to take a photo of a small child, and sorry, getting the heat warnings on my phone already, and I've been recording for 3 whole minutes with the iPhone, heat warnings. So if you want to take a picture, you can't get your kid to smile or whatever, there's little almost emoji-like avatars that you can use that will entertain them, and I think you can use your voice and other stuff. So anyway, so it gets them to smile at the camera so you can take a good photo of them. So I do like Google's emphasis on trying to be able to get the best shots possible. They also have a new HDR Plus pipeline that's going available for, I believe, all cameras, especially for panoramic, for the ultra wide. That's going to be big, even with the panoramic during nighttime shots. So night mode, you're going to have the HDR Plus for that. It's supposed to look a lot better. And they're saying that the Pixel 9 series phones are supposed to be rated the best phones for video. So we'll see how that comes to play, especially, I mean, I don't know how long that's going to hold true because the iPhone 16 is going to be right on its heels. But I do appreciate that they put the phone out earlier. I feel like they finally listened to me for once and they put the phone out earlier, because I'm always like, hey, if you're trying to compete and steal sales from Apple, it's not a good idea to release your phone after the iPhone comes out, right? So they finally released it early, and a couple new features there. The phones, I think, look really nice, 4 new colors, and, well, if you want to, you can pre-order them now. The Pixel 9 will be out on the 22nd, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be out on September the 4th. So 3 phones, the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, those will be available on the 22nd, and then the 4th will be the Pro Fold. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, gripes, complaints, whatever, go to the comment section. We'll hash it out there. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. As always, I'll see you guys next time.